So when we talk about grid modernization, what we're really talking about is the ability to add new sources of electric generation to the grid. And that includes generating electricity with solar panels and wind turbines. And one that's becoming more and more important is the ability to store energy in large battery banks. And that energy storage is being added to our grid in the US in large amounts every year. What we're really doing is making it able to meet a growing energy demand. Today, it's really important to store energy, and copper plays a huge role in all of these applications. In every function of the old grid, you needed copper, and it's just as important in every function of the modern grid. In the US, we believe that there's enough copper in the ground to cover all of this growth and increased demand. The bigger question is, can we get it out and refine it fast enough for all of this growth to happen when it wants to happen? And we believe we can, but it's going to take policy changes. We in the US haven't made copper a priority, but that's one of the most important things we could do is put copper on the critical minerals list, because that will give it the government priority and the incentives to help make all this happen a little bit quicker. There's a third-party organization called the Copper Mark. And the Copper Mark has a set of criteria that they use to judge mining applications. And one thing that OEMs can look for is whether the copper comes from a producer that's certified by Copper Mark. They look at emissions and energy efficiency of the operation and labor practices to qualify a producer as a responsible source. So that would be the main thing I think that OEMs should look for.